Hi everybody, this is Dan Frost from H.D.F Painting, the fine art of painting in Concord, Mass. Our channel is going to provide solutions to the homeowner and the beginning professional paint contractor for their paint projects. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about the painting process, which means the preparation, the actual painting, and then the cleanup. So specifically, we're going to discuss the tools you need to make this process work. We're also going to discuss the paint products that we have found over the last 40 years to be the most durable and that have the best looking sheen to make your project look beautiful. And what we're going to do also is discuss the supplies and sundries, which are the products you need to make this all come together and look beautiful. So what I'd like you to do is hit the subscribe button, and then you'll get notification for your next video.